How to open Barclays Bank account. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create Barclays account online. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and type in barclays.co.uk in your search bar in any web browser and hit enter. This will take you to the official website of Barclays. From this page, you need to tap on login in the top right corner of your screen, and this will take you to the login portal. But as we are looking to create a new account in Barclays, we're going to go ahead and tap on this register now option as we do not have an account yet. Once you do that, this will take you to this kind of interface from where you can start registering for your online banking account. Tap on start, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom. Now you need to fill in your details like your last name, your date of birth, enter the postcode, and then select the type of the Barclays account that you want to create, either a current or a savings account, mortgage account, or merchant. Now you need to go ahead and enter the sort code. This is a 6-digit number which is in the front of your debit or the authentication card. Go ahead and enter your number over here. Once you do that, and simply enter your card number, which is 16 digits. Then again scroll down and enter your email address that you want to associate with your account. Once done, enter the same email address in order to confirm. And after this, you need to go ahead and check this box if you want Barclays to send you email about different products and services in the future. After that, tap on next, that is highlighted in blue color. Then you need to review your account and the register for the online banking will be completed. So that's it for this video. You just simply need to follow the on-screen instructions and fill in the correct information about yourself. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.